Oil and gas projects are capital intensive and require significant investment. That's why project management is critical to their success. An oil and gas project involves 4 stages: exploration, development, production, and decommissioning. Each stage requires careful planning and execution. Capital projects in oil and gas refer to large-scale projects that require significant investment and take years to complete. Examples include the construction of pipelines, refineries, and offshore drilling platforms. Oil and gas management involves the coordination of various activities, including exploration, drilling, production, and transportation. Effective management is essential to ensure the project is completed on time and within budget. Pipelines are a crucial component of the oil and gas industry. In fact, the global oil and gas pipeline market is expected to grow at a CAGR of 6.2% from 2020 to 2025. Effective pipeline management is essential to ensure the safe and efficient transportation of oil and gas. Remember, effective project management is critical to the success of oil and gas projects. By understanding the life cycle of a project, capital projects, oil and gas management, and pipelines, you can ensure your project is completed on time and within budget.